Hi, I'm Riya, your Roblox mentor. Today, we are diving into Roblox Studio to create a forest landscape. We will learn how to place, move, scale, and rotate objects while having a fun building our own world. Are you ready? All right. Before we start, I would love to know your name. Can you tell me your name? Okay, nice name. So, and you're from which grade? Oh, you're from third grade? I have a lot of friends from third grade. Can we become friends? Give me thumbs up if you are friends. All right, so let's be our friends. Yeah. Now tell me about your hobbies. What are your hobbies? Okay, I also love to draw pictures. Oh, I also love to read books. My favorite book is Atomic Habit. All right. Yeah, that's great. Okay. So now, do you love to play video games? Yeah. Which is your favorite video game? Okay. So, oh, the Candy Forest. Yeah, the Candy Forest sounds amazing. I also like that. Okay. After the session, we will make our own video games. Okay. Are you excited? All right then. So, do you ever use Roblox before? Okay. So don't worry, I will teach you from very basics. Okay. If you are new to Roblox, don't worry, I will teach you from very basics. Okay. So I am excited to meet you. Give me a thumbs up if you are ready to have fun. All right. Mhm. Yeah. Now, by the end of the today's session, you will learn how to shape and customize your game world, just like real game designers. Are you ready to become a real game designer? Okay, today you can also become an awesome game designer. All right. So before we start, let me tell you what is Roblox Studio. Okay, do you know what is Roblox Studio? Yeah, you are right. Yeah, you are right. Yeah, you can make 3D world, isn't it? Yeah. Roblox is where you can create your own 3D world like forest, mountains, or even cities. Okay. Yeah. Now I'm going to teach you how to build terrain. Okay. Terrain means what? Okay. Terrain means nothing. It is a land or a natural land and natural parts of a game like hills, ponds, and trees. Okay. Today we can build that. Are you ready? That's great. Okay. So before that, look at the chat box. There I send you one link. Okay. You can play this game. You can start sharing your screen. Click on the link. First of all, did you see the chat box? Yeah, at the very bottom, did you see that? Yeah, click on the link. Start sharing your screen. Do you know how to share the screen? Okay, I will teach you. I will teach you how to share the screen. So look at the bottom of your Zoom. Did you see a lot of icon? Did you see a green color button called share? Yeah, over there. Very good. Now click on that. Now click on the blue color share button. Yes, very good. I can see a screen right now. Yeah, you can start playing that game. Okay, yeah, you clicked on that link, right? Okay, how to play? Do you know how to play? If you want to make the player to move forward, you have to click on W. We have to use WASD key. Okay, to make the player move, you have to move forward. You have to click on W. And if you want to make the move player backward, you have to click on S. If you want to move the player left, you have to click on A. And D is for right. Okay, WASD. Yes, very good. Okay, you are on it. All right. Yeah, that's enough. We have very few time, right? We have only very little time. Now we can move on to the class. You can play later. Okay, you can play after the class. Okay, let's back to the class. So now we are going to learn Roblox, right? So today you are going to build a game by using our Roblox Studio. Let me share my screen. So I opened the Roblox. Now let me share my screen. Yeah, can you see my screen right now? All right. Yeah, this is our amazing Roblox platform. Do you like this platform? Yeah. First of all, yeah, what I'm going to do is that now I'm going to teach you how to do some basic stuff. After that, I will give you time for you. So in that time, you can do it. Okay. So you have to listen carefully. Then only when you got chance, you have to perform well, right? Yeah, I will help you at the time. But now you have to listen carefully. At the last, I will also ask quiz. Okay. Quiz means I will also ask some questions based on this. So please listen carefully. Okay. Yeah. All right, now, first of all, I have to open the Roblox Studio. Then, we have to open a template, okay? Actually, we are going to build a terrain, okay? We are going to build a terrain, but I'm not going to take that. I'm going to take this base plate. Actually, I am going to add my own terrain, okay? That's why. So, yeah. I clicked on the I clicked on that template. Okay, now that template is opening. All right, yeah, here it is. Okay, awesome. This is open right now. Now, what we have to do is that, yeah, first of all, I already told you today I'm going to build a terrain, isn't it? So first of all, what I had to do is that I have to draw the terrain, isn't it? I'm going to draw the terrain. For that, where you have to click on this editor. Okay, let me annotate. Yeah. So did you see this edit in the terrain editor? We have to go to the terrain editor and we have to click on the edit option over there. Okay, I'm going to click on edit. Did you see? Now I'm going to draw the terrain. Okay, to draw the terrain, I have to take this draw tool. Did you see where is the draw tool? Uh, yeah, here it is. Here we have a draw tool. We have to click on it and yeah, I'm going to draw some terrains. Let's see. Okay, clicking on the draw tool and yeah, this is how we can draw terrains like these, isn't it? Awesome, right? Amazing. Oh, let me draw once again. Okay. Actually, I don't like to draw. We have another method. I will teach you that. So now, yeah, I draw some terrains over here. Now, what I'm going to do is that I don't like to do because I draw because this is not that much perfect. See, it is not that much cool. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to, in a quick and easy way, I'm going to add a plugin. Okay. So now I will teach you how to add a plugin. So to add the plugin, did you see plugin over here? Let me annotate. Yeah. Did you see a plugin over here? Yeah, I have to click on that. Okay. So if I click on the plugin, I can see that part 2 terrain. Actually, when you do for the first time, it will not be there. Okay. What you have to do is that you have to install that. I will guide you how to install that. If you want to install that, you have to click on home. You have to click on this toolbox. Okay. Then this window will pop up in the, look at the left bottom corner over here. Okay. Oh, let me annotate and show you. Did you see over here? Yeah, there we have that thing opened up. So what I had to do is that I want to search for that plugin. Okay, for that here I'm changing that model to plugin and I want to search for that particular plugin. It is part 2 plugin. Okay, then it will come. Then you can install it. Okay. Yeah, but I already have that plugin. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add that plugin. So I just need how to add the plugin, isn't it? Just need to click on it. Then I want to select where to add. Okay. So this is easy to convert this part into terrain. Let me, so I'm placing my mouse cursor there and I'm clicking on it. Okay, here we go. Yeah, see, it is quickly converted into a terrain, right? We don't want to waste time for drawing, right? All the things are converted into terrain. See, it goes for an infinity, right? All right, then. So yeah, now you can see some as I draw some these green leaf. I mean, the grasses are popping up, right? So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to smoothen it. Did you see a smoothen tool over here? Yeah, let's click on that and you can smoothen it like this. Okay, see, amazing, right? It is smoothening up. Yeah, just like that, you can smoothen it. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is that now, as this is the first class, we are going to start from the very basics. Now, I'm going to teach how to place an object in our project. Okay. So to add an object, what you have to do is that we have to, first of all, just like you added plugin, we are going to add object over here. Okay. I'm planning to add not a tree. I'm planning to add a house over here. Okay. Let's see how to add a house. To add a house, what you have to do is that you have to click on where? Yeah. You have to click on how we take, you have to click on the home and you have to click on this toolbox. Okay. Then previously I take the plugins, but now I need models. So I'm changing that to models. Okay. So if you want any object, you have to change to models only. Then you have to search, oh, not the car. I'm going to add the home. Okay. The house. Okay. Yeah. I just need to search for house. Then are you able to see? I can see a lot of houses coming, right? Did you see that? Yeah. I'm going to add a simple house. Okay. This is a very simple project. So I'm going to add this classic house. Okay. I like that much. When you're doing by yourself, you can add your favorite things. Okay. You can add, if you want to add trees, anything, car, you can add your own favorite things. Okay. Now I added a house. Okay. Did you see? Now I'm going to teach you the 3 tools over here. We have a lot of tools over here. Did you see? Yeah, we have a lot of tools. Let me annotate again. Yeah, we have a lot of tools on the top. So by using these tools, we can make amazing project. We can do anything without any limits. Okay. So yeah, what I'm going to do is that I want to yeah, now I'm going to teach you only these three tools. Okay. Select, move, scale, and rotate. Okay. Let's learn quickly. So first of all, I want to select. Isn't it? Select tool is to select any object. Okay. If you want to select this house, we can make use of select tool. Quite simple, right? So how to select it? How to use that tool? You have to click on the select tool, then click on the object. See, now you can see a blue line border is came, right? That means that house is selected. Okay. If this blue color appears, the blue border appears around any object, that means it is selected. Okay. How to select? Again, you have to click on the select tool. Okay. Now, if I want to make the object to move, yeah, I want to make use of move tool. You are right. So if I click on that move tool, you can see a three color axis is came, right? A green color arrow, a blue, and a red, isn't it? So this means if you want to make the house move vertically up or down, we have to change in that green color. You can see that stats are changing. Stat means you can see it. First of all, it is in 0, isn't it? Yeah, let me show you once again. Oh, yeah, I placed the object over here. Now I'm going to make it move. So initially the stat is 0. Did you see? Look at the green thing. The green lines are to move up and down. That means green line help you to move vertically. It is the y-axis. Okay. You learned x-axis, y-axis, z-axis in maths, right? The same thing. If you want to make it move up or down, you have to make use of this up arrow or down arrow. Okay. Now the value is 0. That means it doesn't move anything. Okay. It doesn't move any steps. Now, if I make it go up, you can see the value is going like 0, 1, 2, 3, like that, right? So it is moving up. That means now it is 12. So this means now it moved 12 steps. Okay. So we will tell in Roblox, we will tell as a step. Sorry, we will tell as a start. It move one step like that. We will tell in a real life, right? Just like that. If you move one step, it means it move one step. Okay. Is that clear? Now it's moved 12 step. Okay. If you want to make it move down, you have to hold on the down arrow and move it down. And if you want to move in horizontally, that means if you want to move left and right, I have to click on this red arrow and I want to move horizontally like this. Okay. And if you want to move in depth, that is, if you want to move in Z axis or if you want to make the object move forward or backward, you want to click on this blue arrow and you can move like this. Okay. I'm going to place the house over here. Okay. All right. Little bit down, right? All right. I want to place it little bit towards down. Yeah. That's cool, right? Yeah. This is nice. Now, what I'm going to do is that, uh, now what I had to make, yeah. Next, what we had to do is that, so now we learned about how to move, how to scale. Yeah. You just learned how to scale. Sorry. Now we learned how to select, how to move, isn't it? Next, I will teach you how to resize it. If you want to make your house bigger or if you want to make your house smaller, we can do that, guys. So for that, you have to click on this key. Okay. Then click on the object. Okay. If you how I did, I clicked on this scale to resize the object and I clicked on this object. Okay. Once again, yeah. If I clicked on scale, you can see a lot of just like before. No, now this time some bubbles came, right? Yeah, just like before. If you make it bigger, if you want to make it bigger in upward direction or downward direction, that is, if you want to make it bigger or smaller in up or down, that is y-axis. Okay, move it. You just need to click on the green bubble and you can resize it like this. See, quite simple, right? Just like that, if you want to resize in horizontal way, that is left, right, you want to hold the red bubble and you can drag it like this. Okay, this make you to make it resize in that horizontal way. Just like that, if you want to resize in depth, that is, if you want to resize in forward or backward, you can hold on that blue button, blue bubble, and you can resize it like that, isn't it? Yeah. Did you understand how to scale? All right then. Now, I am going to teach you how to rotate. So to make it rotate just like that, you have to click on this rotate tool. Okay. Then click on this object. Now you can see some circular handles came over there, right? So if you just like that before, we have 3 to rotate in vertical way. So if you want to rotate in vertical, you have to click on the green and you can see it is rotating in vertical way. And if you want to rotate in horizontal way, you have to click on the red one and see now now you can see the angle. See, it is 45. That means the angle, the house rotated in a 45-degree. Okay, let's make it back. Now, if you want to rotate in depth, that is in east side axis, okay, in forward or backward, you can rotate like this. Okay, all right then. So yeah, so now we learned about what are the things that we learned. You learned about how to select, how to move, scale, rotate. Are you clear with this? Do you have any doubts? Okay. If you don't have any doubts, let's move on to the next. Now I'm going to teach you to make it duplicate. Duplicate means nothing to make an exact copy. Okay. So how to duplicate? You have to click on what you have to do is that select that object. Okay. Click on that object. Then you have to right click on it. Okay, if you right click on it, you can see this pop-up is coming. Then did you see a duplicate option over here? Yeah, if I click on the duplicate, actually it is duplicated. Yeah, I know you can't see the result over there, right? Yeah, what is happening over there is that it is actually here. What I have to do is that I want to make it move. Okay, actually it is in the back layer. Okay, it is duplicated one above the other. Okay, that's all. That's it. That is happened over here. Oh, okay, I'm making it duplicate. I'm moving it in the backward. Okay, forward and backward by using Z axis. Now again, I'm going to duplicate one more house. Okay, to duplicate the house, what I had to do is that, so now before how I did, I right clicked on it and I duplicated it, isn't it? You can see a shortcut that is Control D. So if you want to duplicate the house, you can also simply click on Control D. Okay, click on the object, then click on Control D. Yeah, now it is duplicated. So I am going to move it horizontally over here. Okay, see, quite simple, right? This is how we have to duplicate and all. Now, what I'm going to do next, yeah, we got three houses. I have some. Now, I'm going to teach you about this sculpt. Okay, so what we have to do is that if you want to if you want to build a mountain, or if you want to make a water body, we can do that right now. Okay. So for that, I want to use this sculpt tool. Before that, first of all, I'm going to make a mountain. Okay. If you want to, do you want to make a mountain? Okay. I will guide you how to make a mountain. So I'm again taking the draw tool. I didn't show you some of the tool in draw. So I am closing this toolbar so you can see the whole thing. The whole tool. Did you see here the brush mode? You can see, hold on, I will show you. Yeah, you can see the brush shape, right? Now the curve, that shape is selected. We also have cube, okay? And we also have cylinder. So I'm taking this cylinder. I'm going to make some cylinder like this here. See, I have some, right? I'm going to build a mountain over here by adding the cylinder. See, did you like this? Yeah. And you can also add cube if you want to add. Okay. So I'm also adding the cube, terrain cubes. Okay. Did you see? It is coming in that particular sheet, right? All right. Now what I'm going to do is that it is not like a real mountain, right? To make it a real mountain, I'm going to use this cut tool and I'm going to add the terrain. Okay. So did you see? The brush mode. Okay, you can have add and subtract. So first of all, I'm clicking on the add. Okay, now I'm going to add that. You can see the terrain is adding over here. Okay, I'm just adding a lot of terrain to make it as a real mountain. Okay, all right. Yeah, that's cool, right? See, now, you can see, and also what I'm going to do is that I'm also going to paint to get a real effect for the mountain. I'm going to paint it with some stone. So what I have to do is that I have to select the paint tool. Then I want to select, I'm going to select the rocks for the mountain. So not the curved lava. Okay, I'm going to select this stone. Okay, and I'm going to paint it over here to get an appearance of a real mountain like this. See, you can see it is just like a real mountain, right? Yeah, cool, right? Yeah, I painted it to get an appearance of a real mountain, just like this. Okay. Yeah, awesome. Now what I'm going to do is that, okay, now, oh, okay, I am going to duplicate one more house. Okay. And placing it over, taking the move tool and placing it over here. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add a water body. So for that, just opposite to that add, we have subtract. Okay, to dig something, you have to subtract. Okay, let's see. Now I'm going to I mean, not add. I'm going to subtract. I'm going to dig. Okay, dig like this. Yeah, see, I dig a area over there, right? Now, what I'm going to do is that I want to select that. For what? Because I want to fill water in that, right? For that, I want to select. So I'm clicking on the select tool and clicking, yeah, it is here. Actually, I want to select by dragging, by adjusting this select tool, okay? I can adjust like this. I want to make sure that tick is completely selected to fill water. Okay, so to fill water, just did you see a fill button over here? I need to click on fill. Then I need to select the material. Now I want to add water in it. So I'm going to select this water material. Are you able to see? I selected the water material over here. Then I just need to click on the fill button over there. Oh, it come in a square, right? Because I selected in a wrong way. That's why so I want to adjust this selection. That's why. Okay. So if I adjust that selection only, then it is based on how it is selected. Okay. So I want to make some adjustment in the selection. Then only it will be filled with water in that particular shape. Okay. Now let's try again. Okay. Now I filled water in that. Let's see. See, I filled water in that pond. Okay. You can see it over here. It have not that much depth. Okay. All right. Anyway, now for this house, I'm going to draw some path. Okay. Just by using paint tool. Okay. For that, I have to choose this paint tool. Just like we draw the mountain, we painted the mountain. We can also draw some path so the player can walk through the path. I'm selecting this limestone to draw, or you can also select the sand. Okay. Uh, yeah. Now I'm going to select the sand to paint it in front of the house. Okay. And just like this, cool, right? Now I'm going to select the limestone to draw a path. Okay, just like this towards the uh water body. Sorry, it is just inside the water body, right? Yeah, towards this house, towards this, a way for that house. Okay, and a way for this house, a way for this house also. Okay. Mm. Yeah, cool, right? Yeah. Now, what I'm going, yeah, that's all. This is amazing, right? I hope I covered everything. Now, let's see what we made. So for that, we have to play that, okay? As we are done with this, you can see the top view by dragging like this, okay? You can, yeah, we can adjust the camera by clicking on either left button and right button, okay, at the same time. Or you can also control the camera by clicking on the left button and the control button. I hope it is clear to you. We made an awesome, not a forest, a house, mountain, and a pond, right? Now let's play what we made. For that, I have to click on this play button. Yeah, it's opening. Actually, it is loading right now. All right, that's all. So today you learned how to make it move, rotate, scale, and we made one water body. And you also learned how to place the object. You learned how to add mountains, isn't it? Then you learned how to paint it. All right. Alas, you can play that. Okay, I accidentally stopped my screen share. So you can play that by clicking on the play button. You can move just like you did before. Okay, W by using WSD keys. All right then. So now it's your turn, guys. Now it's your turn. You can use your own creativity to make your first project. I will help you. If you were stuck, now, if you were stuck, you can. I will help you. Okay. Now you can start sharing your screen. If you stuck, just wave at me. All right. Mm-hmm. Yeah. All right. You are doing good. Can you make that house super tiny or gigantic? Yeah. You have to use scale tool. Very good. You are doing good. Okay. Now click on play and walk around your new forest. Isn't it cool to explore a world you created? How did you feel after creating your landscape? And what would you want to do add more to your landscape? All right. Okay, bridges. Yeah, so you can definitely add these things as your homework, okay? Will you do that? Okay, That's great. Happy to hear that. Now, you have built an amazing forest, yeah, with a house and everything. But imagine creating mountains and secret caves, a little bit more bigger mountains that we can do it in the next class. Okay. Yeah, in the coming classes, I will teach you how to do those things. Next time, we will learn how to create a sculpt clips, and we can add more magical elements. Are you excited? All right, I can't wait to see what you are going to build in the next class. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'm happy to help. Okay, if you don't have any question, we can wind up the class for today. You did an incredibly good job today. I am so proud to how creative and curious you are. I am impressed with you. Okay, your ideas brought to a virtual forest to life, right? We added, yeah, water bodies, everything, and it was an amazing to watch your imagination to an action. So today you took your first step. Imagine the worlds that you can create if you keep practicing and exploring. I'm ready to looking forward to a new adventure, and I'm ready to help you towards your throughout your journey, where we will create sculpt now mountain and add even more magical touches. All right, then thank you for joining me today. I was blessed working with such an awesome future game creator. All right, so see you in the next class. Bye bye for today.